We want to integrate x cubed times e to the negative x to the fourth dx. Alright. Now, how do we decide what type of integration we're going to use? What method? Let us see. If you have e to the something, let's say e to the u, what multiplies e to the u? Well, if you find the derivative of x to the 4, you get 4x cubed. So you have in the form a x cubed. So you have e to the f of x, f prime x, something times f prime x. So therefore, you can use substitution. Now, this means you can use substitution. So let us see what is going to happen here. If you let u be equal to negative x to the fourth power, then du by dx is negative 4x to the 3. Alright? Therefore, dx would be equal to, would be what now? Du divided by negative 4x cubed. What you have now is the integral of x cubed. Let me rewrite the cube. Integral of x cubed e to the u. Alright, u is negative x to the 4. So it's e to the u dx. But instead of writing back dx, because we are substituting, you know, we want everything in terms of u du, the function of u du. So we change dx to du divided by negative 4x cubed. See that? This is the integral of, alright. We have e to the u here. So it's e to the u du. Okay, we have a function of u du. But we have these other things to take care of, the x cubed and the negative 4x cubed. So how do we deal with that? We have x cubed up here divided by negative 4x cubed. The x cubed will cancel x cubed. So what we have then is the integral of 1 over negative 4 e to the u du, which is the same as negative a quarter of the integral of e to the u du. Alright? And by the way, remember, you know, just a reminder, you should attempt these questions before you watch me work it out. Right? And if you did not successfully do so, you should attempt again after you watch me work it out, and attempt doing them again on your own as practice. Now, we continue here. This is negative a quarter e to the u plus c, because you know that e to the u, when you integrate e to the u, you get back e to the u. Alright? So e to the u now, u is negative x to the 4. So you have negative a quarter e to the negative x to the 4. Negative x to the 4 plus, this would lead to negative a quarter c. Let's call it small c This itself, you know, is a constant. So let's call it the new constant, big C. You multiply negative a quarter by small c, you get big C. Or you could call it some other letter. A, B, D, whatever it is. K. So it's negative a quarter e to the negative x to the 4th plus C. Or, if you want, plus K. Whatever letter you want. So the answer is negative a quarter e to the negative x to the 4th plus your constant of integration.